Hello everyone, my name is Anna and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It is very important to me. Thank you so much. The topic of today's video will be my luxury bags collection. My bag collection is not very huge, but I love it greatly and I'm very excited to show it to you. I have never really planned to have a huge bag collection. I always want to have bags that I would have time to wear every day. I don't want my bags to be sitting in my closet and to never be worn. So I want my collection to grow, of course, but I don't want it to be huge. I just wanted to include some pieces which are fitting my style, fitting my taste, which really speak to me and which I feel fabulous wearing. With time, my taste really changed, I think, because I loved bags since I was a teenager. But when I was a high school girl, I thought that each bag which is luxury and expensive and is worn by celebrities is a cool bag, and it is a desired bag for me. When I grew a little bit older, when I was like 20, 21, each bag which was considered fashionable and really like in right now, worn by all the influencers, was desired for me. I really thought that each cool bag which is considered cool is cool for me as well. But then I really saw that I have my own vision and I have my own taste, and not all the bags that I see on Instagram or on celebrities seem cool to me. I don't like all of the bags out there, and at the moment when I look at the new collections, I don't like all of the bags at all, and I have my personal tastes. I would say that my taste is very classy, elegant and feminine most of the time, and I really want to build a collection which fits my taste without thinking about what is in fashion at this moment and what is worn by other people. So let's get into the video. So the first bag that I will be speaking about will be my Valentino lock bag. I think this is a size small and the color is red. I would say that this is the least practical bag in my collection, but it is still fabulous, and most of the time I wear it as an evening bag or as a go out kind of bag. This is not a bag that I would take with me to my travels, because this is not a very comfortable bag for your shoulders because of this chain, and it doesn't fit a lot of things inside. The color doesn't fit each outfit, but I still think that this is a super elegant bag. This bag has a chain which can be longer, shorter. I think it's feminine and edgy, and it's making me look fabulous, and I'm not throwing it out of my closet ever. I'm loving it. So the second bag that I will be showing you today will be this Chanel chain clutch. I have not purchased this by myself. I got it as a present, and I have never been a fan of Chanel in my life, and I'm not a fan yet. But with this bag in my ownership, I understood the quality of Chanel. This craftsmanship is just amazing. This leather is super soft. The hardware is amazing. All the stitches. I understand why this bag is so luxurious, and I feel really luxurious wearing it and pairing it with actually a lot of outfits. The reason why I'm not a fan of Chanel yet is that I have my personal opinion in my head. I just don't know why particularly I have this opinion, but I feel that black bags by Chanel, like this very classy bags, are for older women. I don't know, I have this feeling. It's just my subjective opinion. Well, I really like the bags, Chanel bags with a top handle. Maybe I will be thinking about getting one for myself. I don't think it will be a black color because I would like something more fun. The thing that I learned with Chanel is that the craftsmanship of these bags is amazing, and the quality of all the details and materials is outstanding. The next clutch I will be showing you is the Louis Vuitton twist chain clutch. I think this is my favorite evening clutch of all of them. The reason why I love it is because it is at the same time feminine and a little bit edgy. You know, the thing that Chanel clutch lacks for me is this edginess, and this one, I think it looks fun and fabulous at the same time. I really like pairing it with winter and summer outfits, all of the outfits which have a little bit of black in them. I love this clutch, and if you're thinking about one evening clutch that you would purchase, I would recommend this one. So the next bag I will be showing you will be my only big bag of my collection. It is this Prada bag. It has, I think it's like a dirty pink, dusty pink color. This model is called Prada Galleria Saffiano Leather Large Bag, and I purchased it when I was in the university and I needed to carry lots of stuff inside of my bag. I'm not wearing it as much at the moment, but I'm still loving it on the days when I need to feel like a powerful, strong woman doing her stuff. I would wear this bag. I think if I would want to purchase another big bag like this at the moment and I didn't want to spend on a Cali bag, for example, I would spend on a Prada Galleria bag. It has this shape which is amazing. I love this bag till this moment. The next bag I will be showing you is another Prada bag, but this one is smaller and it's more for my everyday life at the moment. I wore it almost every day this summer during our honeymoon, our vacation. This bag just fitted each of my outfits and it was so easy to carry it around. It is quite big inside, so it fits lots of things. I don't know the exact name. I think it's called the Soft Chain Shoulder Bag by Prada with a Saffiano leather. The leather here is actually the same as on this bag, and it's interesting that I have purchased this small Prada bag in the outlet in Barcelona, and some people say that things that you purchase in the outlets are not of the same quality as the things that you purchase in the boutiques, in regular boutiques, but with this exact purchase I wouldn't agree, because I have this bag which I purchased in a Prada shop in Monaco and this one from the outlet in Barcelona, and the leather is exactly the same. The wear of this bag is exactly the same. It has exactly the same quality and the hardware is the same gold hardware. I see it is really the same bag. So there is no difference, and if you have a chance to go shop in the outlet for a Saffiano leather Prada bag, I think you should do it. The last bag that I will be showing you today will be this Louis Vuitton clutch. This was my very first luxury bag ever, and I remember how happy I was on the day that I purchased this one in a Louis Vuitton boutique in Cannes. I still feel like the happiest girl in the world holding this one in my hands right now. It's been 8 years since then, and I have worn this bag so much, especially during autumn winter times. I wear this bag really a lot, and the quality of this bag is outstanding. You know, it's so durable. It's crazy that after all this time it still looks amazing. All the hardware amazing, the zip, the stitches, it's just perfect. I feel like aging doesn't make it worse at all, and I'm planning to wear it even more. And after seeing the quality of Louis Vuitton leather goods like this, I really think that I'm in for buying more bags from Louis Vuitton in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. I plan to make more videos like this about shopping and my luxury purchases in the future, so stay on my channel and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye!